Good morning. Hey guys, how you all doing? I don't know what I look like though. I'm going to Ottawa today with my friends. She has to renew her Nigerian passport and I've not been to Ottawa before, so I just thought to follow her down there and just go on like a road trip. So I look forward to experiencing Ottawa. I don't know what it looks like from what I've heard. I heard there's really nothing exciting there, but in case you don't know, Ottawa is the capital of Canada and I expect it to be full of life.
It's our second day in Ottawa and we are loving it.
I'm wearing this hat because I look like a piece of shit right now. I just woke up. But who else wakes up looking this glowy, like with skin? Alright, so I need to get dressed and catch up with my friend at our place. So yeah, it's about to get lit. I'll show you guys on the journey. You guys join me and let's have fun together. Airbnb in one piece. Looks like a really cool room though. Like it's just nice. It's in the heart of Ottawa, and I think everything here looks nice. We have our separate washroom. This is our mustache here, and we have our own separate washroom. This is about $45 a night. It's an Airbnb, so yeah, we're good for the night. Looks good, right? I love it. Really downtown Ottawa. Like, really guys? Downtown? Oh my god. It doesn't really look so bad after all. Like, I mean, Ottawa City. Looks so cool. Right? See the beach. The beachfront looks nice. We're waiting for the sunset. This beach kind of gives me the lake in the Ozarks vibe. Like fishing and boats and everything. It's our second day in Ottawa and we are loving it.
3:45.
3:45
p.m.
3:45 p.m.
So it's not any freaking
and it's the second day already.
I
you
know,
already
but
slept.
like it's already almost the third day.
Oh, the third
we
day.
wasted the day just at home.
We wasted like the whole day.
At least
Whatever.
me, I did something.
Whatever.
I
Okay.
did my passport.
Congratulations.
I went to Dow Street or Dow Lake.
Anyway, this city is I don't know what to say about it. What will you say about it?
It's dead.
It's dead. I swear it's literally there's nothing in this place. Like this even affirms to me what people say that Canada is made up of only two cities, two major cities. It's Toronto and others. Like nothing else is here. Nothing else is here. Like I'm even surprised how they say up to 1 million population lives in Ottawa. Like I don't believe that. Doesn't look like we even have up to 250,000 people. Anyhow, let me show you guys around the city. That's another thing. Everywhere in Ottawa is rule. They always call their road rule something.
Kind of French.
So where we are coming from, English speaking cup. Anyhow, if you see downtown, like downtown Ottawa does not even look like does not even look half as good as like Square One.
I swear.
Square One in Mississauga. Square One in Mississauga. It doesn't even look half as good as it. See that else. Another road, Nicola. I'm chopping the live. At the end of the day, Ottawa is not that bad. Ottawa.
I hate driving in Ottawa.
Hey, cutie. Hey, handsome.
This is beautiful. This is in Ottawa, by the way. A few cars, a few people outside the bus park, and a cute dog right here. This handsome babe. So before the long drive, we need to get coffee. This is the weekends and downtown Ottawa. We are close to the Parliament building. Just came to take pictures and everything. Then we're going down. We have 5 seconds to walk, 2 seconds, and get to our coffee. This is the parliamentary building. Is this the building itself? Is this the building? It's on Roos Parks. It's on Roos Parks Road. It's on Roos Parks and Bank Street, downtown Ottawa. So looks good. We're gonna take pictures. The Bank of Canada Museum is just right here, next to the building. And they are currently not open right now. This is just the wrong time to come here. Like everything is closed. This is the Parliament building. Like, I think this is the building. I don't even know where the front of the building is. Looks cool. Oh, looks good. This is the only fine place in Ottawa. Look at. Looks good. It's been a great experience so far. Like, it's really sunny though. But I don't want to use my sunglasses. It's so nice. I'll send you a video of myself. But we came to the Parliament building to take pictures and all that. It's been not so bad so far, but like if you're someone that is coming from Toronto and you visit Ottawa, it's going to look, it's like downplaying your experience in Canada. But there's nothing really exciting here except for these buildings, old buildings, and to take pictures. What's the name of that place we went to yesterday? What's the name of Bylon Market? What's the name of that place we went to yesterday? Prairie Island. Prairie Island. Went to, I think, Prairie Island or something. I'll check the spelling. But yeah, that's a good one. Petrie Island. Petrie Island. Okay. So it's a good experience though. But anyway, see Tim Hortons here. There's actually Tim Hortons here. Either you're looking for, it's right there. Anyway, so we are on our way back home now. We couldn't go to the Ottawa sign because my friend is exhausted. That guy there, that big-headed guy. He's like, he still has a long drive to go and he couldn't walk 6 minutes. It's literally 6 minutes away from the Parliament building. But, you know, that's part of what you see when you travel with people. And you have to be understanding. So, whatever, man. We're going home now. This old, like this place looks like downtown Toronto, but downtown Toronto you see people, there are lots of people riding bikes and everything. You would just feel that vibe. It has this Lagos vibe, this Niger vibe. Not here. So we are going back to where we parked the car now and off we go. We had to pay $6 for parking because we didn't find any free parking spots. It's just like Toronto, like you can't find free parking spot, you will have to pay. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this trip. I feel like it's boring and we had like a very bad experience, which would have to be in a separate video. But yeah, not so bad. Over 10. I'll rate this place, the old city, maybe 6 over 10. But one thing is I would not be able to live here because I like adventure and this place is too dull for my lifestyle. But yeah. I'm finally almost home now. It's been such a long ass drive. And man, there's been a lot of lessons on this trip. And now I get to appreciate
staying in Toronto more because I can't just imagine. And I'm even tired of the outro already. I'm tired of the outro, I swear. Anyhow, so finally we are almost home. I think we're about 20 minutes away. And I can't just wait to have my bath, sleep and relax.
Sleep on my bed.
Yeah, sleep on my bed, I swear.
Tell them that you're going to talk about your Airbnb experience in Ottawa.
Yeah. We'll still have like a special video about our Airbnb experience in Ottawa. But that's by the way, it's all good. At least we've checked it off our list that we've added one city to our list that, oh yeah, we visited this city as well in Canada. And we know that of course we have visited Canada's capital, so that one is off the list, and I don't think I'll be visiting there anytime soon. So just know we'll try to visit other places anyway. Yeah, just home now, going home. And yeah, that'll be it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video though. If you enjoy watching it, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see me visit other cities in Canada, or you'd like to see more vlogs and outdoor experiences, leave a comment down below as well. And don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Subscribe right away. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Peace. My nails, it's gone. Bye guys.